If you want to disable two-factor authentication on WhatsApp, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to disable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen for Android or go to the bottom right corner and select Settings for iPhone. This will take you to the Settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to Account. In the Settings menu, find and select the Account option. This section contains all the security and privacy settings for your WhatsApp account. Step 4. Select two-step verification. Within the Account menu, look for two-step verification and tap on it. This will open the two-step verification settings where you can manage your authentication preferences. Step 5. Disable two-step verification. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. After following these steps, you will have successfully turned off two-factor authentication on your WhatsApp account. Make sure to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and being cautious of suspicious messages.